everyone, welcome to my channel CFX Paul, where I explore the amazing world of animals. Our plant Earth is full of mysterious creatures. Today, I'm going to talk about one of the most mysterious and fascinating creatures. What does this reveal about the world? Well, one possible hypothesis is that snakes have a very sensitive perception of vibrations in the ground, which could be useful for hunting prey or avoiding predators. Another possibility is that snakes have evolved this ability as a survival mechanism, since earthquakes can cause landslides, floods, or fires that could threaten their habitats. Either way, this fact shows that snakes are more than just slithering reptiles. They're also remarkable animals with amazing adaptations. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Amazing Animals, the channel where we explore the fascinating world of wildlife. In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the most mysterious and misunderstood creatures on the planet, snakes. Did you know that snakes can sense an earthquake before it happens? That's right, these slithering reptiles have a remarkable ability to detect vibrations and changes in the environment that could signal an impending disaster. How do they do it? And how can we use their signals to warn us of danger? Let's find out. Snakes are cold-blooded animals that rely on external sources of heat to regulate their body temperature. They often live in burrows, caves, or crevices, where they can stay warm and hidden from predators. However, when an earthquake is about to occur, snakes will behave very differently. They will abandon their nests, even in the cold of winter, and try to escape to safer places. They will also act very erratically, sometimes banging their heads against walls or biting anything in their way. Some eyewitnesses have reported seeing snakes fleeing from their holes minutes or hours before a major earthquake struck. But how can snakes sense an earthquake so far in advance? Scientists believe that snakes have a very sensitive perception of vibrations in the ground, which they use for hunting and avoiding danger. Snakes do not have ears like other animals, but they have an inner ear that can pick up sound waves through their jawbones. They also have special organs on their skin, called the lateral line system, that can detect changes in water pressure and movement. These organs help aquatic snakes to swim and navigate underwater, but they may also help terrestrial snakes to sense seismic waves. Seismic waves are vibrations that travel through the Earth's crust, caused by the sudden release of energy from the movement of tectonic plates. There are two main types of seismic waves: body waves and surface waves. Body waves travel faster and deeper, while surface waves travel slower and closer to the surface. Body waves can be divided into two subtypes: primary waves, P waves, and secondary waves, S waves. P waves are compressional waves that can travel through solids, liquids, and gases. S waves are shear waves that can only travel through solids. Surface waves can also be divided into two subtypes: love waves and Rayleigh waves. Love waves are horizontal waves that cause the ground to move side to side. Rayleigh waves are vertical waves that cause the ground to move up and down. Snakes may be able to sense P waves, which are the first to arrive at a location after an earthquake. P waves can travel up to 6 kilometers, 3.7 miles, per second, and they can reach a distance of 120 kilometers, 75 miles, from the epicenter in about 20 seconds. Snakes may also be able to sense changes in the electromagnetic field, which can occur before and during an earthquake. Earthquakes can generate electric currents and magnetic fields, due to the friction and stress of the rocks. Snakes may have a magnetic sense, similar to some birds and fish, that allows them to orient themselves and navigate using the Earth's magnetic field. If the magnetic field is disturbed by an earthquake, snakes may feel confused and disoriented, and try to find a stable place. Snakes are not the only animals that can sense earthquakes. Many other animals, such as dogs, cats, birds, fish, and insects, have been observed to act strangely before an earthquake. Some animals may have similar sensory abilities as snakes, while others may rely on different cues, such as changes in air pressure, temperature, humidity, or light. However, Snakes are among the most sensitive and reliable indicators of earthquakes, because they can detect them from a long distance and a long time before they happen. So, can we use snakes to predict earthquakes and save lives? Well, some countries, such as China and Japan, have tried to use snake-based earthquake prediction systems by monitoring the behavior and movements of snakes in captivity or in the wild. However, these systems are not very accurate or consistent, because there are many factors that can affect snake behavior, such as weather, season, food, mating, and stress. Moreover, not all earthquakes produce the same signals, and not all snakes respond the same way. Therefore, snake-based earthquake prediction systems are not very reliable or practical, and they cannot replace the scientific methods and instruments that are used to measure and forecast earthquakes. However, this does not mean that we should ignore or dismiss the signals of snakes and other animals. Animals can provide valuable clues and warnings that something unusual is happening in the environment, and that we should be alert and prepared for a possible disaster. Animals can also teach us a lot about the natural phenomena that affect our planet, and how we can adapt and survive in different situations. Snakes, in particular, are amazing animals that have evolved and survived for millions of years, thanks to their incredible senses and adaptations. Snakes are not evil or dangerous, as some people may think, but they are fascinating and important members of the ecosystem that deserve our respect and protection. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you learned something new and interesting about snakes and earthquakes. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more videos about amazing animals. And don't forget to leave a comment below, and let us know what you think about snakes and earthquakes, or what other topics you would like us to cover in the future. Until next time, stay curious and stay safe.